ഗുരുർബ്രഹ്മാ ഗുരുർവിഷ്ണു ഗുരുർദേവോ മഹേശ്വര ഗുരുർ സാക്ഷാത് പരബ്രഹ്മ തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരവേ നമഃ. തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരവേ നമഃ.
ഈ സമുദായാവിഷ്കർത്താവെന്നോ നവോത്ഥാന നായകനെന്നോ അതൊക്കെ ചുമ്മാ കേരളത്തിനകത്ത് മാത്രം ഒതുക്കി നിർത്തി ഗുരുവിനെ കാണുന്ന ഒരു ചിന്താഗതിയാണ്. നാരായണ ഗുരു കേരളത്തിന് വേണ്ടി ചിന്തിച്ചയാളല്ല. ഗുരുവിൻ്റെ കൃതികൾ വായിച്ചു നോക്കിയാൽ മനസ്സിലാകും, ലോകത്ത് എവിടെയുമുള്ള ആർക്കും ഒരുപോലെ പ്രയോജനപ്പെടുത്തത്തക്കവണ്ണമുള്ള ജീവിതത്തെ അർത്ഥവത്താക്കി തീർക്കത്തക്കവണ്ണമുള്ള സത്യദർശനമാണ് ഗുരുവിൻ്റെ വാക്കുകൾ ഉള്ളതെന്ന്. അപ്പോൾ ആ സത്യദർശനം ഉൾക്കൊള്ളാൻ നമ്മൾ ശ്രമിക്കണം. അതിനു വേണ്ടിയുള്ള പരിശ്രമമാണ് നമ്മൾ നടത്തേണ്ടത്. നടരാജൻ ഒരു സ്വന്തം ജീവിതം കൊണ്ട് ചെയ്തത് നാരായണ ഗുരു പറഞ്ഞ മാതിരി വെളിപ്പെടുത്തിയ സത്യദർശനത്തെ, ജീവിത ദർശനത്തെ ഒരു ശാസ്ത്രമാക്കി, ആധുനിക ശാസ്ത്രചിന്താഗതിക്ക് പോലും മനസ്സിലാകത്തക്കവണ്ണമുള്ള, സ്വീകാര്യമായിരിക്കത്തക്കവണ്ണമുള്ള ഒരു ശാസ്ത്രമാക്കി നാരായണ ഗുരുവിൻ്റെ ദർശനത്തെ അവതരിപ്പിക്കുവാനുള്ള പരിശ്രമമാണ് നടരാജ ഗുരു സ്വന്തം ജീവിതം കൊണ്ട് നിറവേറ്റിയത്. അതിനുവേണ്ടി ഗുരു സ്ഥാപിച്ചതാണ് നാരായണ ഗുരുകുലം.
Twinkling star Nataraja Guru was a great saint, scholar, philosopher, preacher, creative writer and social reformer. He was born on 11th February in 1895 at Bangalore. His father was Dr. Palpu, the senior medical officer of the Mysore government and a reformist and revivalist in Kerala. His mother was Srimati Bhagwati Amma. The acquaintance he got with Sri Narayana Guru at his childhood changed his path of life. After having completed postgraduate degree, he went abroad for higher studies. He received his D.Litt from the Sorbonne University of Paris. He received membership from the Royal Society of Teachers of London. Further, he received opportunity to work as a professor at Geneva International Fellowship School. Nataraja Guru acquired profound linguistic knowledge in so many Indian languages and also Western consisting of French and English etc. Nataraja Guru founded Narayana Gurukula in 1923 at Nilgiri for the integral study of various approaches of wisdom. He travelled in a lot of countries abroad, established Narayana Gurukulam and taught ideologies of Narayana Guru. He composed about 17 creative literary books. The book named An Integrated Science of the Absolute, among those is the masterpiece out of them. It stood included in curriculum of the Oregon University of USA. The book, An Integrated Science of the Absolute, is a book stood composed, adopting knowledge and philosophy contained in the book Darshan Mala of Narayana Guru. It consists of more than 1200 pages in English. It is a garland of various types of knowledge. It attempts to unfold cosmic reality. It reveals that the source of happiness is within us. It narrates replies to human doubts such as what is this universe, how it originated, how it surged, and what is real truth, etc. It keeps open the need of the that physics and metaphysics should stand united for betterment of beings. It is a veritable treasure house of supreme knowledge and wisdom, which uplifted the author as a star stood twinkling like Maharshi Vashisht in Milky Way. Based on this book, Guru Nitya Chaitanya Yathi wrote a book named The Psychology of Darshan Mala. The Word of the Guru. Millions of people have been deeply inspired by the life and teachings of the Guru Narayana, who is the central figure of this book. This is a biography not only of Guru Narayana, but of Guruhood itself. The spirituality of India is set forth here in its clearest terms, unambiguous and shorn of all limiting frontiers, suitable for readers in all parts of the world. The autobiography of an absolutist portrays on a universal level the Guruhood of Nataraja Guru, who was a true disciple of Sri Narayana Guru. This opens up his discoveries of philosophy and trials of discipleship. Sankara Saundarya Lahari analysis by Nataraja Guru narrates this masterpiece of a work using his dialectical and epistemological methods. He instated in this book that the work to be crafted by Sankara unequivocally. Narayana Gurukulam, Varkala. This is the headquarters of Narayana Gurukula movement. Nataraja Guru established Institute of the Science of the Absolute at Varkala. Nataraja Guru attained Mahasamadhi on 19th March 1973. Guru Nitya Chaitanya Yati was a true follower of the doctrines of Sri Narayana Guru. At the childhood itself, he was fascinated by Guru's ideas and performance. As a result of which, after completing his education, he became a saint. He commenced in the field as a disciple of Nataraja Guru, the great scholar. His attainment converted him as matchless scholar, philosopher and teacher. He was one among worked hard for the establishment of Narayana Gurukulam in India and in various countries. His performance in spreading the philosophical ideologies of Narayana Guru and uplifting the downtrodden are unparalleled. The reference library established here consists of vast collection of books related to Upanishads and spiritual science. The Mahasamadhi of Guru Nitya Chaitanya Yati is situated here inside the premises. post-attainment of Mahasamadhi of Guru Nitya Chaitanya Yati in 1999, Guru Muni Narayana Prasad became the Guru and head of the Narayana Gurukulam. Muni Narayana Prasad started his spiritual career as a disciple of Nataraja Guru and fulfilled his wishes under the valuable advice and guidance of Guru Nitya Chaitanya Yati at Narayana Gurukulam, Varkala. He composed above 80 books in Malayalam and 36 in English. He took classes in some of the Gurukulams abroad. Conventions are being conducted at Varkala Gurukulam under his guidance.